the one who is always carrying this program forward. He is not just a compeer, he is appropriately the master of this whole ceremony, Syed Aftab Ahmed. Again, the one man who always kickstarts and gives the ignition to this whole program.
ನಿರೂಪಣೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಆಫ್ತಾಬ್.
Good evening, everybody. A very warm welcome to all the beautiful ladies, dashing gentlemen, enthusiastic music lovers of Mysore, the galaxy of doctors and their families, to this spectacular program. I have a question to you. We have a tradition that after every 3 songs, we ask some question to the audience. If their answer matches with my answer, I always give this gift. Now, my question to you is, you have to identify the actress on whom this song is picturized, but look at the modesty of this wonderful human being. Still she says.
So, what would you like to tell about your fan following? ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ, ನಾನೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಂತೂ ಮೈಸೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. Everywhere you go, you see your fans. What do you feel?
Anybody, if someone likes you, someone like your job, someone appreciate you, you always feel good. ನಿಜ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5-6 ವರ್ಷ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಿದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. That I have observed. So I want to ask you, they feel happy, okay, but what do your wife feel when you have so much of female fans?
My wife comes from a very good background and very sensible, very matured person. Okay. She understands and she always takes it in the right spirit.
May I request Mr. Yash, the most charming personality of this evening, to kindly come on stage and collect your memento from Mr. Yash.
Syed Aftab, please.
Thank you, Dr. Umesh Kamath. Same old anchor from last 13 years, but anchoring is different. Not to forget, we also have the quiz as usual, but then questions are different.
But trust me, even a prestigious train like Shatabdi Express, initially first 10 kilometers till it reaches Srirangpatna, it will not go on its own pace, perhaps not beyond 60. But once it crosses Srirangpatna, it takes you to Bangalore in less than 2 hours. Perhaps that's what's happening with our program also.
What can I say about this program? My words alone cannot express what height this program has reached in last 2 decades.
So this was possible because of Rotarian Aftab. Thank you, Aftab, for the wonderful training to all of us, and we look forward to have many more programs like this. Thank you.
So friends, with this, I'm going to share something very interesting with you. I'm sure every lady would agree if I say, all of them want to look beautiful. Every woman want to look beautiful. At the same time, they don't want other women to look beautiful.
Often people say, and they appreciate me, how do you remember everything about every song? Mr. K.V. Ganapati even went to the extent of saying, Aftab has got elephantine memory. In fact, he published in his Star of Mysore. But today, if I have to put all my musical knowledge, still I am not getting. Hemanji, I have a question to you too. As a soft skill trainer, I have given lectures on various subjects like time management, leadership, communication skills, attitude, but I have always failed to deliver a talk on loneliness. Loneliness, I have not given any solution. I was just told that you have a wonderful solution for loneliness. Kuch batayenge hamari audience ko?
If you are a last speaker in any function, your job becomes very easy because all the speakers would have covered everything. Very little is left out for you to speak. At the same time, it's a big challenge because all the other speakers would have covered everything. You always wonder what is left out for me to speak.
ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಸಂಜೆವರೆಗೂ ಒಂದು 20 ಸಲ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಒಂಚೂರು ತಪ್ಪಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಲೈಫೇ ಹಾಳಾಗ್ಬೋದು. What I can tell, I call upon Dr. Kushalappa to present this song before us from the film Yarana. Chhu kar mere man ko kiya tune kya ishara. Can we have Dr. Kushalappa on stage? Hello. If you don't answer, you don't know my question. If you don't answer, you don't know. But still, I appreciate your courage without even knowing the question. But this time, gift is not there. Audience are not active.
Every member present here
would be eagerly waiting to listen to his vibrant speech. May I request, on behalf of everyone present here, to Dr. Subramaniam Swamy to kindly come forward and make his keynote address.
But there is one organization called A1 Fashion in Mysore who believes that fashion is not the monopoly of only rich people.
शाहजहां ने मुमताज के लिए ताजमहल बनाया. अब ताजमहल तो डॉक्टर गणेश राव से हम एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन ये जरूर एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि ये जो कलरफुल स्टेज हम सब के लिए बनाया है, इसके पीछे इनका दिमाग है. I wish to congratulate and compliment for the great work done, Dr. Ganesh Rao.
This time we change the formality. We always say ladies first, but this time we'll say gentlemen first. You can go ahead with the names of Mr. Elegant.
Now I request Mr. K.V. Ganipathy to kindly come forward and do the honors. Sir, nothing like honoring your pretty wife. Many congratulations.
Colorful program. Before we start the program, I wish to say a few words about this A1 Fashion.
Sonika is walking a ramp. Judges, please note, this is not a part of the competition. I have the honor of escorting Sonia on stage. She's walking a ramp. Come on, can you hear for Sonia, please? One walk on the ramp, please. Can I have the honor of walking with you? Okay, let me take this opportunity. Come on.
I don't know why God has blessed us with everything, but of late people have forgotten to smile. We always have a lot of stress in life. Let's smile, friends. You should look at them carefully, evaluate them at the microscopic level, and give your verdict. The lady with the best smile. Now I request Mr. K.V. Ganipathy to kindly come forward and do the honors. Sir, nothing like honoring your pretty wife. Many congratulations. And of course, you are equally good, very pretty, very charming. Keep smiling, keep smiling. So you have to go, you are going to mention about this world record in Star of Mysore tomorrow. This Guinness Book of World Record. Okay. When
Students, especially those who are in 10th standard and 12th standard, to make them understand what career options are available. Normally after 10th standard, several questions will come in the minds of parents and students as well. What next?
I work in the capacity of a trainer, having trained thousands of students across South India. I read the pulse of the student and the requirement of the industry very well.
बात का एहसास हुआ है कि इल्म हमारी जिंदगी के लिए कितना जरूरी है. इसके बारे में चाहे तो हम घंटों बात कर सकते हैं, लेकिन सिर्फ अगले 2 मिनट में मैं अपनी बात खत्म करना चाहूंगा.
15 साल किसी भी इंसान की जिंदगी का बहुत ही लंबा हिस्सा होता है. इन 15 सालों में बहुत कुछ बदल गया. अगर एक और नजरिए से देखें तो कुछ भी बदला नहीं. 15 साल पहले इसी प्लेटफॉर्म से मैंने शुरुआत की थी एंकरिंग की. दिल जोर जोर से धड़क रहा था. आज 15 साल हो गए. देश भर में 2500 से भी अधिक प्रोग्राम कर चुका हूं. बहुत नाम कमाया, बहुत इज्जत कमाई, बहुत लोगों ने प्रोग्राम को सुना, उसे पसंद किया. आज 15 साल के बाद जब एंकरिंग कर रहा हूं तो आज एक और बार दिल जोर जोर से धड़क रहा है. बदला कुछ भी नहीं, कुछ भी बदला नहीं. आपका प्यार बदला नहीं, आपका बेचैनी से इंतजार करना बदला नहीं.
So ladies and gentlemen, as all good thing has an end, so as this wonderful evening.
Thank you very much. God bless you all. Please do take very good care of yourself. Thank you.